Experience comfort like no other with the new FDT cassette air conditioning unit from Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. You don't become a major player in the air conditioning market just because you get the job done. You don't win a Good Design Award simply because you look good. You need control like no other, with a guaranteed perfect temperature at all times. Quiet like no other, for a calmer, more peaceful experience. Efficiency like no other, for environmental responsibility. And serviceability like no other, for ease of installation and access. Discover the new FDT cassette air conditioning unit from Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. Comfort like no other.